What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day to finally reveal my new daily driver. This is going to be a quick video just showcasing the car. There's going to be more videos down the line next week following. Going to be doing the review, things I like, things I don't like. And because of COVID-19, I couldn't go to the dealership and do like a fancy unveiling of the car with like a sheet and stuff. I had the car delivered to me. I've driven it for like 400 miles. It's an amazing car. It's the perfect daily driver. Well, I might as well just reveal it now and show you guys what I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick cinematic of the Cla45. For those who are wondering why I didn't get the Cla45S, that's because the S model is not available in North America, which to me is pretty dumb. I would have gotten the S if I could have. For now, you can see in the back how angry that car looks. It's a little weird seeing that car and not the C63, but I don't know about you guys. I'm gonna have a lot of fun making content on that car. Look forward to the upcoming videos on this car. There's gonna be a ton coming over the years of owning this car. This is not the replacement to the C63. That comes in about a year and a half, depending. But this is my new daily driver, and I'm excited for you guys to be part of the journey. And for those who are wondering why it's white, it was the only car in the US with all the options I wanted. But I am gonna be wrapping it a special color, which I'll be revealing very soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's reveal, a very quick video. Like I said, be on the lookout. If you haven't already, please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys on the next video.